All right, I just laid out my Nilla wafers on my pizza pan. Now I'm gonna come in with my Rolos. I already unwrapped them all, and we are gonna place one Rolo on each of our Nilla wafer cookies. I wish you guys could smell the Rolos with these cookies right now because they're not even like in the oven yet and they smell so good. My house is just smelling like Christmas already. All right, so we're gonna place one Rolo on each Nilla wafer super quick. All right, we're gonna place our last Rolo. And then, like I said, we're gonna put these in the oven. My oven is set to 350 and it's only gonna be in there for like 2 minutes. All right, these are good to go. You can tell they're melted because they're nice and shiny. Now we're gonna come in with another Nilla wafer and we are gonna go ahead and smush that Rolo down. Make like a little sandwich with our Rolo and Nilla wafers.
Ooh, you can see them squish out.
Yeah. These are so tasty and so easy to put together. You could make these for, Santa to eat, or you can just make them for you to eat. I mean, I know I'm gonna eat at least 10 of these. They're just so delicious. All right, last one. Perfect. Now, before we finish these, I am gonna pop them in the freezer for a good 15 minutes, just so that they solidify just a little. All right, you guys, these were in the fridge for 1 hour. I went ahead and melted my dark chocolate Ghirardelli melts. And we are gonna go and grab our Nilla wafer Rolo, pop it into our chocolate, kind of flip it in there, just like so, and then transfer it to our wax paper, just like so. Okay, super quickly, just throw your Nilla wafer in there, flip it, and then onto the wax paper. All right, we filled up this sheet pan. Now, before these harden, I am gonna sprinkle them with my cute little holiday sprinkles. This is obviously optional. You do not need to do this part. The recipe does not call for this, but 'tis the season to be festive and just put sprinkles on everything.
It makes it look really cute.
Yeah, and if you don't like dark chocolate, you could use milk chocolate, you could use a white chocolate, but I always love the Ghirardelli dark chocolate melts. So easy, they're easy to work with. You just microwave them and you get the perfect consistency. All right, look at those sprinkles, so adorable. All right, now these are gonna go back in the fridge, but only for 30 minutes, and then they're gonna be ready to enjoy. All right, you guys, these actually were way quicker to cool down, literally 10 minutes. They pop right off of the wax paper. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try these. And like I said, these flavors are gonna be reminiscent of your favorite chocolate bar, and that is gonna be a Twix. Yep, the Nilla wafer with the Rolo in there. It tastes just like a Twix, and it's so good. And you get these little bite-sized Twix that are fun and festive. I mean, what is not to love? Okay, look how cute they are. We gotta pick which one we're gonna try. I think I'm gonna go for this one, actually. This one looks super good. Oh my gosh. It's better than a Twix.